Save $80 on today's deal of the day. You can save $80 off the Amazon price with our surplus deal on these Whistler automotive dash cams. If you drive anywhere, you are at risk of someone causing an accident or being in an accident yourself. Now, dash cams like this one can give you a video witness to help you prove how safe you were driving and to put the blame on the other person. Having an at-fault accident can drastically increase your insurance, so this is a valuable tool. Now this one here, we love it because it may be a little more than most standard dash cams that just record video, but it has a GPS built in, has the ability to give what your speed was roughly at the time of the accident, thereby helping prove that witness to any sort of a court or insurance or police officer investigating the issue. Now it's got the camera on the front side. It's slanted so that it fits on the window. It can turn around if you'd like as well. There's a power connection here and a little screen on here. There's controls on the top, lights on the side so that you know what is going on with the device, and of course just a standard on-off plug. Comes with this 12-volt power cord so that you can power it up using your 12-volt cigarette adapter on your car. Get yours now on our surplus deal and save while supplies last. Our price is only $69.95. They're $150 on Amazon, so save your money with our surplus deal. If you love surplus deals like this and you love to save money, make sure to subscribe to our channel, join our email newsletter, hit that notification bell, also that you avoid missing out on the next amazing surplus deal. Get your dash cam now at Forest City Surplus Canada, 1712 Dundas Street in London, Ontario, or online at fcsurplus.com.